Hey everyone, welcome back to Starting Monday. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite keto recipes, bacon cheeseburger meatballs. These are super easy to make and they're packed with flavor and protein. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 6 slices of bacon, 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of almond flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and some bacon fat to cook the meatballs in. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, bacon, almond flour, seasonings, egg, and mix everything until well combined. Next, use your hands to form the mixture into small meatballs. You should be able to get about 16 from this recipe. Next, we'll cook the meatballs. Put them in the skillet over medium-high heat for about 7 minutes on each side. For the second half of the cooking time, turn the meatballs over and put a small piece of cheese on each meatball. Once the meatballs are thoroughly cooked and the cheese is melted, put the meatballs aside. Next, we'll make the sauce. For the sauce, you'll need 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sugar-free ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of relish. Put all of these ingredients together and mix them in a bowl. Once you've made the sauce, you can shred some lettuce. Serve the meatballs over the shredded lettuce, topped with a spoonful of sauce and a small piece of bacon. And there you have it, delicious keto bacon cheeseburger meatballs. You can serve them with your favorite keto-friendly dipping sauce or enjoy them as is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more keto recipes and tips. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time on Starting Monday.